Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix App Store billing problem. So if you are having trouble with App Store billing, whether it's downloading apps or making in-app purchases, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So step 1, that is to check screen time restriction. So sometimes screen time settings can block purchases. So to check this, you can open the settings app. Once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on screen time. Now here, simply scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction at the bottom. Now select iTunes or App Store purchases and check if in-app purchases is set to don't allow. If it is, then switch it to allow, and you may also need to enter your screen time passcode. Or you can even turn off content and privacy restriction entirely if needed. And if this doesn't solve the issue, let's move to the next step. So step 2, that is to check your Apple ID and billing history. So now let's check your billing details to make sure there is no issue with your payment method. To do that, simply go to the settings app. Once you have opened it, simply tap on the Apple ID at the top. Now from here, simply select Media and Purchases and tap on View Account. Now tap on Purchase History and this will show any failed transaction or unpaid subscription. So if you see a billing issue, just follow the prompts to resolve or pay it off. And now with that, let's move forward to the step 3, that is to verify your payment methods. Now here let's make sure that your payment details are correct. To do that, simply go back to the Media and Purchases and from here simply tap on Manage Payments. Now here, check that if the card number, expiration date, CVV and billing address are correct. And if it is not, just update it. And once you have verified this, your App Store purchases should work normally again. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.